Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from work. You guys might hear the kids in the background, but they are super hungry right now. So I'm about to make dinner. I'm gonna make my famous chili. It's super easy to make and you don't need that many ingredients. So let's get started. So the ingredients that I use are ground turkey, 2 cans of kidney beans, tomato paste, brown sugar, some pasta sauce, some frozen corn, sweet corn, some mild cheddar cheese, and tortilla chips, and I use this white bean chip kind. And that's basically all the ingredients that you need. We're gonna go ahead and cook our turkey first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put some minced garlic, and this is the one that I use from Aldi's. Then we're gonna add some garlic powder, some adobo, some paprika, some oregano, and some onion powder. And now we're gonna mix it all together. And I also add a half a cup of water after I was done seasoning the meat. Now the turkey is starting to get cooked, and I already mixed up all the spices in there. And I don't put pepper or salt in it because the adobo already has salt in it, and I don't want it to be too salty. So I try to minimize our sodium intake, so that's why I didn't put any salt in here. And I tried cooking with pepper last time, and the kids didn't like it because it's too peppery or it's too spicy. Oh, the way they say it pica. That means like it's too spicy, so I tried not to use pepper with this, but it's really, really good. And now we're just gonna let this cook and let all the spices soak into the turkey. Okay, now that the meat is done cooking, we're gonna open up our cans of beans. Okay, now we're gonna cook the rest of this chili in this one pot. So we're gonna go ahead and put the meat inside the pot. And I drained the liquid into the sink that came with the beans, so now we're gonna put the beans inside the one pot. And then you're just gonna add some water. I just filled up this Ariel cup to like the top, so I'm just gonna put that right in here. So that's about 2 cups. And then you're just gonna mix everything in. And you're gonna just let this simmer and cook. I'm probably gonna add 1 more cup of water. And I actually just added a half of a cup instead of the full cup. So I usually use any type of tomato pasta sauce, and I usually put about 2 big spoons in here. And it really depends on your preference of how you want your chili to taste. If you want it to taste like tomatoey, then go ahead and put more. But usually 2 big spoons is enough for us. And last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of tomato paste just to make sure it has that nice thickness and it adds a little bit of flavor. And then we're gonna add a cup of corn, and you guys can add as much as you guys want. You guys can add other veggies as well. Chili, really, you guys can put anything in there. The kids really like corn, so normally we just put a cup. And now the chili is starting to simmer, so I'm gonna start adding the spices. And the spices that I use are the same thing that I put in the turkey. It's the paprika, a little bit of adobo, and then some onion powder. And I almost forgot to show you guys this, but I'm also gonna put some oregano. And then we're gonna mix everything in. And we're just gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. So our chili has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar just to make it taste a little sweet, and I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon. So now we're gonna mix the sugar in here, and we're gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes on low. So I'm gonna eat my chili with some chips, and I already showed you guys which chips I'm using, and then I'm gonna sprinkle it with some cheddar cheese, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for cooking with me. If you guys like this video, please leave this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and you guys can get notified every single time I put up a new video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.